Passwords. We all hate them. Too long, too short, or just impossible to remember. But what if I told you there is a login method hiding in plain sight that's fun, unique, and totally underrated? Introducing picture passwords. Yes, you heard that right. But how do you do it? The first thing you do is press Windows plus I, go to Settings, click on Accounts, then go to Sign In Options. Click on Sign In Options, then open Picture Password. Open Picture Password, then click Add. Then you're going to verify your laptop password. Then you choose any picture that you like. Then we're going to draw 3 simple gestures, but I suggest you choose lines. I think lines are easy to remember. And the good thing about this method is that I don't think anyone can guess your password. So that is what you do. Most people won't even know what you're doing. So click use this picture. And I'm going to draw 3 lines on the front fender of this car. So right down there where there is a vent, so I'm going to draw one line. Just following one line going straight. It should show the direction line. Then I'm going to draw another one going up. That is two gestures. You see how easy it is. Then on the other side, I'm going to draw another line to make it 3. So those are 3 gestures. You're going to repeat the same movement again. So let's draw 1. So follow the mouse cursor. 1, then 2, then 2, then 3, and 3. Successful. See, congratulations. You can use it among other sign-in options. You can use the pin. So when you forget, it just says you can also use your pin. So you repeat it again, like just I showed you. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching.